In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use trial card in Bloodstrike. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use and also obtain trial cards in Bloodstrike. If you aren't aware, the main usage of these trial cards is to get any sort of weapon in your loadout, even if you don't own it. You will be able to use that weapon for a specified period and do all sorts of attachments and modifications. So if you go to your loadout page, so you tap on weapon and you go to loadout, you should see this trial loadout. So you have the standard ones that you can rename, change the weapons for. Then you have this one with the star or this yellow icon. Usually the default name is going to be trial loadout. And if you tap on the information icon, you will be able to learn more about it. So this is a special loadout set that allows you to test nearly every weapon and attachment even if you don't own them. So all that you have to do is tap on a specific weapon that you want to use and then equip it. So some of the weapons are going to be available by default because you already have them. But if you tap on a weapon that you don't have, you will see that you can activate that weapon as a trial. And what you need to use are these coins here, the trial cards. So if you tap on how to obtain, you will learn how to get these. So you can get them from the ranked shop. So they are going to cost you 500 of this currency and you can purchase as many as you wish. And then you will have the option to acquire them from usually the battle pass as well. So all that you have to do is go to your loadout, tap on a specific weapon that you don't have and you would like to redeem the trial card for, and you will be able to get them from the strike pass or, like I said, the ranked shop. So as you can see, here's an example of a trial card, and you can temporarily activate these weapons to use them even if you don't own them on your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to use trial card in Bloodstrike. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.